The woman was awakened by a strange noise. She originally wanted to wake her husband up to check it out, but to her surprise there was no one beside her. So she went to her youngest son's room and saw a figure standing by the window. She thought it was her husband, so she went downstairs to make milk powder for the baby. However, after going downstairs, she found her husband lying on the sofa. Mary rushed back upstairs in a hurry, but then she saw a terrifying scene. When her husband heard his wife scream, he quickly ran upstairs. But everything in the room seemed normal. John thought he had misheard. But just as he reached out to pick up the baby, 2 drops of blood dripped onto his hand. He looked up and saw that Mary was actually stuck to the ceiling. In an instant, a ball of fire ignited. In a desperate situation, John managed to rescue the 2 children, and the house was burned down along with Mary. From then on, John began to track down the murderer. But 22 years passed, and he still had no clues. The youngest son, Sam, also grew up and was admitted to a prestigious university. One day, his elder brother, Dean, found him and hoped that he would go with him to look for their father. Since their mother's accident, their father had become obsessed with hunting. Recently, there had been a